Aloha! My name is Jaedin. Welcome to part 2 of my Waikiki Aquarium adventure. Wow! I'm amazed at the beauty of the colorful coral and the vibrant sea life it supports. Oh, here's a hermit crab. These little caves make great hiding places for the smaller fish. This lovely purple coral reminds me of Ariel in The Little Mermaid. I wish I could catch this playful little tricolor fish. It looks like a swimming rainbow. There's a sea cucumber in here. Cucumbers are not my favorite veggies. I was a little disappointed the jellyfish were not on display, but here I saw a giant grouper and a shark swimming near the surface. Speaking of sharks, look at these jaws and jagged teeth. Wow, here's a seahorse, too small to ride her. And this is a tiny sea dragon. I wonder if it breathes fire. There are more fish in here than I can count. My mom really likes the red fish. It is her favorite color. Lying on the bottom are a stingray and a catfish. Outside the aquarium, we got to see the coral and colorful sea life up close. Close enough to touch, but no touching. We still have to be careful to protect our sea life. That's the end of our aquarium adventure. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I'm sending some love to you. Yikes! Watch out below.